It senses a beat, updates it on the serial monitor, on the app as well. It has stabilized now. It shows the heart rate on the left and the SPO2 on the right. And here is the real-time chart of it. I take my finger off and it's updated to 0. Serial monitor is also at 0. I lay my finger again. It takes about 7-8 seconds to stabilize at a reading. And of course, if your finger is shaking, it won't show the readings right. I guess my finger is shaking a bit. Yeah. More or less stable now. And it works standalone too, using this USB power bank. It takes 4-5 seconds to update, some time to stabilize.